Friends, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Pooja. So if you're new to my channel, so take a moment and subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell button so it will pop up, and it is free guys, so please do subscribe to the channel. I hope you all guys are safe and secure. So today's video that I'm going to share with you guys, that is from the Purple Haul. तो मैंने जो लॉकडाउन में कुछ शॉपिंग किया है, जो कि अभी जो रिसेंटली स्टार्ट हुआ है जो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग, सो मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स ख़रीदे हैं। सो उसी बेस पे मैं आज एक वीडियो बनाने वाली हूँ, जो कि मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स ख़रीदे हैं उसके बेस पे मैं कुछ आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स जो कि पर्पल हॉल पे जो कि 2 बॉक्सेस आए हैं, यू कैन सी। सो ये सैनिटाइज़ होके ही आता है। आप इसे आप अपने हाथों को सैनिटाइज़ करके आप यूज़ कर सकते हो। जो कि जो डिलीवरी बॉय होते हैं वो कुछ लाइक डिस्टेंस पे ही रख के चले जाते हैं। सो दैट्स वेरी गुड एंड इट सेज़ दैट कहाँ पे है, आई शो यू। सो एज यू कैन सी दिस, it says that all the products are sanitized already. So it's like I got, and still my product must come, जो कि ये कुछ ही products है जो कि ज़्यादातर like around 12-13 products जो है I got, and still some 3 products are there that is of makeup products. So still it is on the way, so it will come around after the Eid, I guess. So the first thing I got is from Stay Quirky mini lipstick. So Stay Quirky mini lipstick, this is in the shade, as the package is like in the cardboard and the shade is written I woke up like this. So I got this for my sister, so she wanted this, so I got for her. So let me open and show you. So this is the shade. If you want to know the review and swatches about this lipstick, so please let me know. So this is how the lipstick, and this is good for fair to dusky skin tone. I got from NY. This is it says the foundation also, corrector, concealer and contour. You can just go on the basis of your skin tones. So you can see this. So I have this already. This is the shade Almond. I already have this. I got this for my sister as well. So this is how it, I don't want to open this, I'll directly give it to her. So this is the one I got. The second thing, like next I got, is from the Alp Goodness. ये जो Alp Goodness का है, ये जो स्क्रब है, this is from pomegranate hydrating face scrub, like 29 gram it will come. So I'll mention all the products on somewhere here or here, the prices and all, so you can just check out these products. So this is the scrub, I got it, and it is of 1 year. It says that 1.5 year around the expiry date, and this is the product I got. So I wanted to try this from very long time. So the next thing again I got is the NY eyeliner, as I am already applied this eyeliner. So this is very black and it looks so nice, as you can see this. So I love this, and I'll mention the price and everything on the screen itself, so आप check कर सकते हो. So the next thing I got is from Alps Goodness. This is a grapefruit essential oil. This is also a very good one, essential oil. You can use this ये आप किसी हेयर ऑयल पे भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, आप मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम या जो भी आप यूज़ करते हो उसी पे आप ये 3 to 4 ड्रॉप्स डाल के स्किन पे या हेयर ऑयल पे आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, विच इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर हेयर ग्रोथ एज वेल. इवन आई वॉन्ट टू ट्राई दिस, एंड आई will show you the review about this. So if you want to know about this, and please do let me know in the comment section. So this one I got. The next thing I got, this is the compact powder I got from Bella Oste. So this is the one I got. So it's like really good and it's very cheap also. You can see this is my shade. So I got this one, so I'll use it into my any makeup videos. So this one I got. This is very good, and I'm in the shade. I'll just mention the skin shade or into the screen itself. It says for suitable for all skin types and dermatology tested. So very good one. I just love this. So I got again from the Alp Goodness. So this is again from the Alp Goodness. You can see. Okay, from Alp Goodness. This is the sandalwood face gel. So face gel up, for sun, if you are going outside, you can just use some small amount of this product, and just you can use your any cream or BB cream. Just I got this one. So the next thing I got from Alp Goodness only, the neem and tulsi face wash. So if anyone are having acne or like acne, like pimples, and if they have lot of kind of acne and pimples, so just please use this one. This is really very very good, and it is also very affordable. So it come up with very huge bottle with 100 ml. So price is also not that costly, so you can just go ahead with this, and it's really good. Neem and tulsi is good for acne skin type of people. So even if you doesn't have acne, so if you get pimples sometimes, so you can use this. Next thing I got from Alps Goodness Multani Mitti. This is also a very good one, and it's like really nice. I use this twice or once a week. This Multani Mitti you can just use with rose water and some essential oil. You can add up some 2 drops of essential oil, and you can use for your skin. It looks very good. If you have a blemish skin or uneven skin tone, you can use the essential oil. If not, you can just use with just rose water. That's it. And next thing I got some, the facial, I'll show you, facial sheet mask free. So I purchased some of the NY products. That's the reason I got this one for free. So it's for 99 rupees. I'll just use this and let you know, guys. This one I got. Then the last thing I got is the lipsticks, and from the Bella Worsted lipsticks I got. I am a lipstick lover also, so that's the reason I got. Actually there was an offer going on in a Purple app, so I got this 2 lipstick shades. One is a brown one and one is a maroon shade. So I got these 2, and there was offer going on. If you buy 2, you'll get 1 lipstick free. So I got this one. So it's really very pretty. So I will show you the swatches on these products. So if you want to know the review on about this lipsticks, and please know in the comment section. So I'll show you these lipstick shades in my next video. So thank you for watching the video. So please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you, guys. Be safe, stay safe. Thank you.